Okay, I'm up. Okay. All right, so this is a work in progress, little early preview of a feature that I've been working on this week. It has to do with a thing called DBT exposures, and what that is it's a way for you to use DBT with your BI tool to know where your models are being used out there in the wild, and it'll make sense as I just demo the end-to-end workflow here. So let's say I already have two dashboards, but I'll walk you through making a new analysis and the full end to end here. Let's say I go ahead and use an Omni, DBT model in a dashboard. I'm gonna pick this one. Make a little thing, save it as a new thing. I have to make it public. Anything private won't be included in this whole workflow. But save that, make a dashboard. There also needs to be a dashboard. Right now, it's just looking at dashboards, not at workbooks that do not have dashboards. So publish that. All right, cool. So I've done that, and I now have 3 different dashboards that are all using DBT stuff. In the model, then, right now I'm just using this push descriptions to DBT menu item. This will probably either become like one menu item to allow you to push descriptions and or exposures, or maybe it'll be separate menu items. We'll see. But what this is going to do is after I click push, it's going to sync the descriptions as it was doing before, as well as this new file, Omni exposures.yaml. And this is a file that gives metadata back to DBT to say like, hey, these are links to all the dashboards that are using DBT models. This one right here is the one we just made. It's a new thing. This is the URL to it. The owner information comes from, it's the owner. That's the user that made the thing within Omni. And then to show you what that looks like in DBT now, let me copy that branch and check it out. And then I need to generate the docs for DBT and serve them. A lot of this, there's a nicer UI for it in DBT Cloud, but you can do all this stuff with DBT Core. It has its exposure sections. So it shows you, these are all the dashboards that use DBT models. And here's that new thing we just made. It tells you that it's using this specific DBT model, and view this exposure will take you right to it. So that's the end-to-end workflow right there.